Hello, everyone. Shortly after I released my video getting started with the MicroPython on ESP8266, an enthusiast reached out with some beginner challenges. Challenge number one was they had the ESP8266 connected via USB, but mode returned nothing. Nothing? Not really. Mod will always return something, but this is not the output we expect. We have our device connected, but we don't see it. It means something is missing. There is a driver known as a CP210 something, and most of ESP8266 ports need that driver. So we need to make sure it's installed by going to clabs.com, then according to your operating system, you download appropriate software. For Windows, this is the right one. So you download it and extract it. Install it. Most of modern computers use 64-bit. You see, now the device is recognized. Another challenge number two, is ESP2 and MP remote are installed, but they are still not recognized as internal or external command on, on the terminal. The path to their installations are not added to the, the user variables. So for us, we have them. We have these scripts, but for example, if we remove them, what would happen if you remove them? Okay, let's see what happens when I remove them and I restart the terminal, restart the PowerShell. ESP tool is not recognized. Well, and MP remote It's not recognized. The pip show uh, ESP tool. It shows it installed, and even pip show MP remote. It's shown. So what's wrong? Path. Let's let's take this instead of site packages. Let's add scripts instead of site packages. So copy, go to variables, path, edit, new. I add it. Uh, at the end, I add scripts. Okay, okay. I restart the terminal, close, and relaunch. Right now, let's try to type ESP tool. You'll see it's here, recognized the never, and even MP mode. It's here. And there was another challenge. Challenge number 3. Well, this is the challenge where it was confusing how many times we needed to hit enter for the loop program to start working. I have connected a device with MicroPython installed. So let's connect it using np remote connect. It's port it's COM21 REPL. Then I am going to hit enter 3 times. One for exiting the loop, and tada. So it worked. That's it. I hope this is useful. Happy coding. Until next time, bye.